In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button on your Odoo website. Having a WhatsApp button on your site is a great way to let visitors contact you instantly with just one tap, instead of filling out long forms or searching for your number. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a fully working WhatsApp button embedded on your Odoo website. First, log into your Odoo dashboard, then go to the main apps menu. From there, click on website. This takes you into the website module, where you can edit the pages that your visitors see. Make sure you're on the correct website if you manage more than one, and open the page where you want the WhatsApp button to appear, such as your homepage or contact page. Next, look for the edit button, usually in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. This will switch your page into editing mode and open the website builder panel, where you can add and modify blocks on the page. In the website builder panel on the left, look for the button block. Depending on your Odoo version, this might be under a section like structure or content. Once you've found it, click on the button block and then drag and drop it onto your page. Place it where you want visitors to see it, for example near your contact information, in the footer, or beside a call to action section. You can always reposition it later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. After dropping the button on the page, click directly on the button itself to edit it. This will open the editing options where you can change the text, style, and the link behind the button. Start by changing the label to something clear, like chat on WhatsApp or message us on WhatsApp, so users know exactly what will happen when they click it. Now you need to fill in the WhatsApp details. In the button link settings, use a WhatsApp link format that includes your phone number, for example a link using the www.me or WhatsApp API format. Make sure the number is correct, includes the country code, and has no extra symbols or spaces. You can also add a pre-filled message so that when users click the button, a conversation opens in WhatsApp.